Commercial Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Commercial Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has revolutionized the cleaning industry by offering portability, efficiency, and power without the limitations of cords. These machines are perfect for large businesses, hotels, and other commercial environments where high traffic areas need constant attention. Whether you're cleaning carpeted areas or hard surfaces, these vacuums deliver unmatched versatility. Modern commercial cordless vacuum cleaner models come equipped with advanced technology such as powerful batteries, high-capacity dust containers, and multi-surface cleaning options. These features help maintain cleanliness with minimal downtime, increasing productivity in fast-paced environments. Understanding these key benefits will help you make the right choice when investing in a commercial vacuum cleaner. Commercial Cordless Vacuum Cleaner in action. Advantages of using a commercial cordless vacuum cleaner. One of the main advantages of the commercial cordless vacuum cleaner is the ability to maneuver freely without being tethered to an outlet. The cordless design allows users to clean larger areas with fewer interruptions, making it perfect for spaces such as hotel lobbies, office buildings, and retail stores. Additionally, the lightweight construction of these vacuums reduces fatigue, making them easier to use for extended periods. Another key advantage is the advanced battery technology found in the latest commercial cordless vacuum cleaner models. With long-lasting battery life, some vacuums can operate for hours on a single charge, ensuring that your cleaning staff can complete large tasks without needing constant recharging. Furthermore, many models come with fast charging options, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. High-performance commercial cordless vacuum cleaner. Key features to look for in a commercial cordless vacuum cleaner. When selecting the best commercial cordless vacuum cleaner, there are several important features to consider. First, ensure that the vacuum has a high-capacity dust container, which reduces the need for frequent emptying during operation. This is especially important in high-traffic commercial areas where a vacuum needs to handle large amounts of debris. Additionally, a high-performance motor is crucial for providing powerful suction, allowing the vacuum to pick up dirt, dust, and debris efficiently. Look for models that offer multi-surface cleaning, as this ensures that the vacuum can handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. Lastly, consider a model that includes ergonomic designs, such as adjustable handles and easy-to-use controls, to enhance user comfort and usability. Battery life and charging capabilities. Battery performance is a critical factor when choosing a commercial cordless vacuum cleaner. Look for models with lithium-ion batteries, as they provide longer-lasting power and quicker charging times. Some models offer replaceable batteries, allowing users to swap out a dead battery for a fully charged one and continue cleaning without interruption. Charging times are also important. Many advanced commercial cordless vacuum cleaner models can be fully recharged in under 2 hours, making them highly convenient for businesses that need continuous operation throughout the day.